Don't waste your life. Not because someone is watching, not because time is short, but because this moment will never come back. Right now, as you listen to these words, life is passing. Not loudly, not dramatically, quietly. Days don't disappear in explosions. They fade in routines, excuses, and later. Later I'll start. Later I'll change. Later I'll learn English. Later I'll become better. And later becomes never. If you're listening to this, it means something inside you is awake. Something that knows you were meant for more than surviving days on repeat. This is not a speech. This is a reminder. Most people think they have time. That's the biggest lie we tell ourselves. We waste hours scrolling. We waste years waiting. We waste potential thinking we're not ready. Time is not waiting for you to feel confident. It is moving, whether you move or not. Every day you delay, life moves forward without you. Comfort feels safe, but comfort slowly steals your future. Staying where you are costs you growth. Staying silent costs you opportunities. Staying comfortable costs you the person you could become. Nothing great grows in comfort. Not confidence, not discipline, not skill, not language. You're not lazy. You're not broken. You're stuck because you repeat the same days and expect different results. You wake up tired. You do what you must. You distract yourself at night. You promise tomorrow will be different. And tomorrow copies today. Learning English is not just about words. It's about access. Access to ideas. Access to knowledge. Access to opportunities that don't speak your native language. Every sentence you understand is a door opening. Every word you learn is power. You don't need perfection. You need consistency. You don't change your life in one day. You change it in small decisions. 5 minutes instead of 0. One lesson instead of none. One honest effort instead of excuses. Small actions compound. Small neglects do too. Motivation is emotional. Discipline is loyal. Motivation comes and goes. Discipline stays when motivation disappears. You don't wait to feel ready. You act, and readiness follows. Your future self is watching you right now, watching the choices you make, watching how you spend your time, watching whether you fight or escape. One day, you will look back at this moment. Make sure you're proud of what you did with it. Wake up, not from sleep, from routine. Question your habits. Question your distractions. Question the life you're accepting. If you don't design your life, someone else will. Fear means you care. Fear means you're growing. Courage is not the absence of fear. It's action despite fear. Speak even if your voice shakes. Learn even if you're slow. Start even if you're unsure. You don't need permission. You don't need approval. You need decision. Decide to stop wasting your life. Decide to invest in yourself. Decide to become someone you respect. If this message reached you, don't let it end here. Listen again. Repeat the words. Train your ear. Train your mind. If you want motivation that improves your English and your life, subscribe, follow, and stay with us. This is not noise. This is mind echo. Listen, repeat, transform.